Welcome to our IELTSaholic community. You never know what life has in store for you, until you make the right choices to discover it. We know that, studying for the IELTS test may be really frustrating and difficult to some of you. And that's why we create this course, to have a blast together. We have transformed the IELTS practicing process from a boring, exhausting experience, into a pleasant activity, which you won't mind doing, every day. Inside our flipped, digital classroom you will enjoy lots of different activities. We will have recorded sessions, which will give you a real classroom experience. We will also have Zoom meetings, closed Facebook active group, Flipgrid video shared assignments, and much more. If you can dream it, you can do it. So, don't waste your time and join us, now.